What's going on, students? Let's do the Shirley or joking. A plane was flying at an altitude of that many feet when it began its emergency descent. The airplane was descending, underlined several times, at a rate of 2,800 feet per minute. Oh my goodness. Write a function rule to describe the situation. Oh, look at this beautiful format here. I'd tell you to type it like this. Okay, so here's what I would type with no spaces. Okay, again, no spaces. A equals, let's see here, 1, 2, 3, 4 minute. Oh, look at that, 28 per minute. That sounds like my rate right there. Yeah, it is. That's how fast it is descending. Okay, and then this looks like my starting amount. Okay, we'll call it the starting amount. So I said it's called the starting amount. Starting number, also known as the y-intercept. There you go, right there. There you go. Look at this. I really can't map this out for you easier. Look at this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Weird. 5 digits. 5 digits. 4 digits. 4 digits. Oh, wow. Isn't that beautiful? So nice. Descending, though. Descending 2,800 per minute. So here's what I would do. Minus 2, 8, 0, 0, m plus positive, flying positive 30,300 feet in the air. 3, 0, 3, 0, 0. There we go. Type that, no spaces, and you will get that blank correct. Here we go. After 5 minutes, what will be the plane's altitude? Oh, you just made an equation with m, and I just gave you a value for m. So what would happen when m equals 5? Well, let's go ahead and throw that in our calculator really quick and see what Mr. Calculator has to say for that. Here we go. Negative 2,800 times 5 minutes. You're descending 2,800 per minute. Well, I just gave you 5 minutes. Plus 30300. Ooh, it looks like at the 5-minute mark, the airplane is going to be at 16,300. I think I have it set up where you can include the comma or not, but type it in however you feel most comfortable, students. Here we go. When will the plane land safely? So the minutes to the nearest tenth, okay? So landing safely, we're assuming that the ground is 0. So watch this, students, okay? Let's assume that the altitude is 0. So I'm going to go ahead and solve it down here. Watch this. So we're at negative 2,800 per minute and 300, okay? When is this mathematical situation going to equal 0? Okay, that's going to be landing safely. So landing safely means that the altitude is at 0. Okay, you are no longer in the air, all right? So set the equation you just made equal to 0 and solve. So I'm going to go ahead and write the steps, and then I'm going to do the math on my calculator in a very, very quick method. A very, very quick way. Okay, subtract that from both sides, you're gone. Then I would divide both sides by negative 2,800. There we go. So that's going to cancel. That's all going to cancel. Hey, look, m is all by itself. So I'm going to go right to the answer. Here we go. Check this out. Negative 30300 divided by negative 2800. Okay, to the nearest tenth, that's going to be 10.8. At the 10.8 minute mark. 10.8. Okay, here we go. Next one, it says, convert your landing time to minutes and seconds. Oh, so 10.8 minutes. This part's easy. That's going to be 10, okay? Now, I'm not going to clear my answer out yet. Now, because I rounded to 8, I need to be careful here. So I'm going to go ahead and subtract the 10. And I'm going to convert this back to seconds. If I've got 0.82 minutes, I would have, to the nearest second, I would say 49 seconds. Here we go. 10 minutes, 49 seconds. So make sure you save when you round it to the nearest tenth, okay? Make sure you save that decimal. Don't completely get rid of it yet, because I think if you're not careful, if you try to do 0.8 times 60, you might be off. Yeah, see, look at that. If you chop it off too soon, you're going to be off by a second. So make sure you're very, very careful. Don't use this answer for your conversion, make sure you use your original. So right up there. So it was this guy, I think, in this case. Let's see. Yeah. Use this guy in your conversion. So what I would do if I were you, kind of like what I did, is write down your answer for here. Okay, so round it to the nearest tenth. But then when you do your minutes and seconds, make sure you use this one for that, because that's 10 minutes and then 0.82 minutes. So again, subtract the 10. There's your decimal of a minute. So how would you get seconds? Take it times 60 again. We've done that conversion a handful of times. So going from a decimal to minutes and seconds shouldn't be terribly awful for you. All right, hoofta. That was a good one. That was a very, very good question. So all starts off with making the proper equation, the proper function. Okay, so the descending 2,800 per minute goes there, and there's your starting fee right there. Make the equation, make the function, do the math, and everything will be okay. All right, that was the Shirley, you're joking.